See, the first question, two numbers are in the ratio 8:3 and the sum of the numbers is 143. So what will you write? Let the two numbers be, they are in the ratio what? 8:3. So it is 8x and 3x. So how should you proceed? They have given the sum of numbers is 143. So what is given? 8x plus 3x is equal to 143. That's it. You have to solve for x. Find what the two numbers are. That is, after finding x, you have to find what is 8x and what is 3x. That will be the possible solution. Okay. Question number 2. 2 by 3 of a number is 20 less than the original number. So find the number. So let, here which one you can take it as x? The original number you can take it as x. Okay. So the question given is 2 by third of a number is 20 less than that number itself. Okay. So how is that you can write? 2 by third of a number is 20 less than itself. Right? See, whenever you have a statement, whenever you get is, was like that, that is equivalent to an equal sign. So it is 2 by 3 of a number. Of means multiplied with. So of a number 2 by 3 times x is means equal to 20 less than. So 20 is less than some data and that data is nothing but the number itself, the original number itself. So the original number is what? X. So it is x minus 20. So this is your equation. You have to solve for x and find what is x. That's all. Okay. Let us go for question number 3. Question number 3 is 4/5 of a number. 4 by 5 of a number. So into that number is equal to 10 more than. 10 more than means what? Plus 10. 10 more than what? 2/3 of the number. So 2 by 3 times x. So 4 by 5 times x. How is that you are stating it? 4/5 of a number is equal to 10 more than means plus 10. 2/3 of the number. 2/3 of x. So find the number. So you have to find what is x. Okay. Question number 4. Find the number whose fifth part increased by 5. Whose fifth part? So 1/5 of a part. Okay. So that number's fifth part means what? 1/5 of that number. Okay. Find the number whose fifth part increased by 5. So this 1/5 of that number increased by 5 means plus 5 is equal to fourth part diminished by 5. Fourth part is what? X by 4 or 1 by 4 times x. Diminished means what? Minus 5. So this one you have to solve and find what is x. Fifth question. Oops, I'm sorry ma. This one was the fifth one. Now whichever question we are going to discuss is the fourth question. 24 is divided into two parts such that 7 times the first part added to 5 times the second part makes 146. So 24 is divided into two parts. So what will be the two parts? Let the two parts be. So one part if it is x, then the other part will be what? 24 minus x. Because 24 is divided into two parts. So x and 24 minus x. Right? Such that 7 times the first part. 7 times. This is the first part and this is the second part. So 7 times the first part added to. This is when it is added to 5 times the second part. 5 times 24 minus x. Okay. Makes 146. Makes 146. 7 times the first part. When it is added to 5 times the second part, makes 146. So find each part. So you have to find x and then find 24 minus x. Both the parts you have to find it. Find about this. See, question number 6. Three numbers are in the ratio 4:5:6. If the sum of the largest, so the second part is, let the three numbers be. How is that you can take? 4x, 5x and 6x, correct? So the question is, if the sum of the largest and smallest, which is the largest? It should be 6x, correct?
6x plus 4x.
So this is going to be the largest and the smallest plus 4x. So you're adding these two equals sum of third. Sum of third is what? Apart from these two, whichever is left, that is the third number. So which is 5x plus and 55. 55 is just a number. So now we have to solve this, find what is x, and then substitute over here, find what are the three numbers. Okay. Seventh question. If 10 be added to 4 times a certain number, let the number be x. What is that they are doing? 10 is added to, so they are adding 10 to 4 times a certain number. So 4 times that number, let it be 4 times x. The result is 5 less than minus 5. 5 less than 5 times the number. 5 times the number is what? X. So this is your equation you have to solve to get the number x. Eighth question. Two numbers are such that ratio between them is 3:5. So let the numbers be, what is that we will take? 3x and 5x. If each is increased by 10, okay, the two numbers, when each are increased by 10, what happens? The ratio between the new numbers so formed is 5/7. So what is 5/7? The ratio between the new numbers which are formed by adding 10 to these two numbers. Okay. So the two numbers are 3x and 5x. If each is increased by 10, so 3x when it is increased by 10 to 5x when it is increased by 10 gives you the ratio as 5/7. So you have to do cross multiplication and then solve for x for this particular time. And then the ninth one. Find three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 147. Three consecutive odd numbers. See, odd numbers and even numbers. How is that you can frame them to be consecutive numbers? Any number, when you multiply it by 2, it becomes an even number. Okay. So if in case you want even numbers, in that case, let x be the data. 2x becomes for sure an even number. So the next consecutive even number will be 2x plus 2, correct? Then 2x plus 4. Likewise, when you want, instead of even, you want odd numbers, consecutive numbers, for sure 2x is going to be even because 2 times anything is even. When you add 1 to it, for sure this number 2x plus 1 will be an odd number. And then you are going to add 2 to this value. When you add 2 to this, plus 1 plus 2 becomes what? Plus 3. So it becomes 2x plus 3, the next odd number. And then the next odd number becomes 2x plus 5, adding 2, next numbers. Clear about this? So set of odd numbers, consecutive numbers, how is that you can take them as? 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5. So let the three consecutive odd numbers be. You can take it as 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 5. Or even when you subtract 2 from this, then also you will get an odd number. When this is 2x plus 1, when you do a minus 2 also, you'll get an odd number. But here let us take it as what? 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 5 to be the three odd numbers. Question is, find three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 147. So given is what? Sum of these numbers, which is 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5. This they have given it as equal to 147. So now you have to solve this equation. 2x, 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 it will be 6x. 6x plus 9 is equal to 147. Solve for x and then find which are the three odd numbers which you will be representing here. Okay. So let x be any natural number. That is your statement. Let x be any natural number. In that case, the odd numbers can take up this formality 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5 likewise. Same case for the 10th one. What is it they have given? Find three consecutive even numbers whose sum is 234. What is it? We told even numbers are 2x, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4. So 2x plus 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 4 is equal to, they have given it as what? 234. Now you have to solve them. 6x plus 6 is equal to 234. Simplify, find x and then find what the three even numbers are. Okay, yeah?
Ma'am, just a minute. I'll just take a.
See, question number 11 has got a two-digit number type problem. Okay. First of all, a two-digit number, how will you frame it? You should have a units place and a tens place, correct? So, you will have a tens digit, a units digit, and the two-digit number itself. Okay. For example, if in case you have 65, how can you write 65 as when you know 6 to be a digit and 5 to be a digit? 6 into 10 plus 5 will give you 65, correct? So 6 is a digit, 5 is a digit. So when you multiply 6 with 10 and then add 5 to it, you get the actual number. So the same process we have to do over here to find the two-digit number as such. Okay. So if in case you assume the units digit as x, fine, the tens digit becomes whatever data they have given you as a hint. Let me assume units digit as x. And in the question, 11th question, they have given sum of digits of the two-digit number is 12. So what will be the tens digit? It should be 12 minus x, because sum of units digits and tens digit is 12 is what they have given. See, in this question, if in case 65 is the number, then what is sum of digits here? It is 11. So if 5, I'm assuming it as x, then what will I take it for the 6? It will be 11 minus x. Getting it? So 11 minus 5, which is 6. So the same thing here. Units digit is x. Tens digit will be 12 minus x, as they have given. Sum of these two is equal to 12. Now, what will be the number, ma? As I told you, the tens digit you have to multiply by 10. So 10 times of 12 minus x plus units digit is what? X. So this is the two-digit number. Fine. Now, they have given another scenario wherein they are reversing the digits. When I reverse the digits, what happens? Here I'll get x as the tens digit and units digit will be what? 12 minus x. Getting in? So here the digits alone are reversed. When the digits are reversed, now the two-digit number becomes 10 times of, which is the tens digit now? X plus, which is the ones digit? 12 minus x. Getting this? So this is the two-digit number and this is the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So what is the question? Sum of two digits of a two-digit number is 12. Using that, we have framed what could be the units digit and tens digit. Second part of the question, if the new number formed, which is the new number? This is the new number. This is formed by reversing the order of digits. Okay. If the new number formed, that is this number, if in case it is greater than the original number by 54. So this is greater. Which one? The new number is greater. So how is it you can assume? If you subtract 54 from this new number, you will attain the original number, correct? Because this new number is greater by 54. So what is it? 10x plus 12 minus x plus 54 will give you what? 10 times of 12 minus x plus x. So what is it? The reversed number. When you add 54 to it, you get the original number. This is the actual statement. So reverse number is what? This one. Which is the actual number? This one. Okay. This is actual. This is reversed. Getting it? So this is your equation. When you solve this equation, you will get x. After finding x, you have to find 12 minus x. and find what is the actual number. Getting it? See, in the 12th question, the digit in tens place of a two-digit number. So here we have a two-digit number. So in a two-digit number, you will have the tens digit. Again, you will have the units digit. By using these two digits, how is that you can frame the number? Okay, that also is there. So let us check for the original thing. In the original number, what is that they have given? 3 times that in the units place. So if you take units digit to be x, then tens digit they have given it is 3 times that of units digit. So 3x. So what will be the number? As I already told you, whatever is there in the tens digit, that should be multiplied with 10 in order to get the tens part as such, plus the units digit we will do in order to obtain the number. Again, the reversed number. They have said the digits are reversed. So when the digits are reversed, now here this becomes x and this becomes 3x. Therefore, the number becomes what? 10 times x plus 3x. So now what is the relationship between these two that they have given? We have to check. What is this? This number is the original number. You can just say it is 30x plus x. How much is it? 31x. This is 10x plus 3, which is 13x. So what is the relationship between these two numbers they have given? When the digits are reversed, the new number will be, which is the new number? This is the reverse number or the new number. 13x will be 36 less than the original number. 36 less than what? The original number. So now you have to solve for x and then find out what is the actual two-digit number. So whatever answer you are getting for x, just substitute it here in this number equation and you will get the actual number as such. Getting it?